been an absolute wonderful opportunity, and it's my honor to be able to present to all my brothers and sisters in India. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the agenda as to what we've got planned for you guys for next week. So what we decided is to have a 5-day forum, 5-day training workshop, whatever terminology you would like to use. So we've got one topic per day. So what we decided is we have manual handling and ergonomics, which we're going to look into it, mindfulness and safety. We are going to talk about aging workforce and safety. And the last two ones would be options would be fatigue management and safety culture. Without keeping you waiting any longer, I would just like to reiterate, come along, I'll be your facilitator. I'll take you through the journey. Let's actually look into human spine, the importance of the right postures, whether you're working at home, working in your garden, walking your dog down the street, or working at your office, driving a truck, or pushing a pallet jack. Let's look into different types of techniques that we could consider so that musculoskeletal injuries could be reduced, or if we are lucky, eliminate to the best of our ability. Let's look into the importance of stretches and why do we need to drink water. Let me just emphasize a little bit. It's all about H2O. We're not talking about chemical liquids. That's what I call them. We're not talking about soft drinks, and we're not talking about so-called power drinks. Just simple water. From there, we move into mindfulness and safety. Let's look into it. What can we do? Mindfulness and safety is not about meditation. It's all about focus and concentration. And it's all about how can we put everything together. We will look into fatigue management and safety. We'll look into safety culture. And let me look into the last thing, aging workforce. Because one day we all will be there. And probably myself and my husband, we are almost there in terms of Australian Bureau of Statistics. The definition of aging workforce is 45 plus. Definitely across 45. Anyway, so that's it for now. Without giving out too much, because I would really want you to start thinking about what can you do safely? What can you do to enhance safety within your workplace? What can you do differently and better in your households? How can you actually get everybody inspired and motivated so that we look into safety rather seriously and holistically? That's it for now. I'm hoping to see more of you. So come along, enjoy the session, and let's see what we can do to enrich our lives. Let's learn together. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. Thank you very much and good day.